Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard with my glasses, and black and white has been my theme for today. And I keep trying to leave it in the background. In the last painting I made artist's camo with a skewer instead. So I'm just trying random shapes. Yeah, squirting across is good. And I'm going to use my edge catcher to see how far I can get the paint that I've got to flow, and then flow it back again, because I haven't done exactly this before and I want to, because I can. I also want some gold in there, so I think I'm going to give that to myself right now in the voids while I'm busy pouring across, because I think I have the right amount of paint, and we'll see in a minute. And this will work to a point, and then I'll have to go in the horizontal as opposed to the vertical. So I'm just letting all that paint pool at the bottom and drip right down. I know it might be hard to see. Just pooling, pooling, pooling. I'm going to flow it a little bit that way, and then right back into the canvas and scrape it off my edge catcher. Now I get to do the last fill in and hope that I can get away with this interesting way of doing things. I really do want some, what do I want? I don't know. I really do want something. I was about to say something. But I have to tip that way in order to fill in. And I love that. I love those, the way those lines are forming. Makes me want to do my edges in a very similar way. But I think if I want to do this, I better do it from just one side. I think I'm going to use my edge catcher with the paint on it as a swipe card, because I can. And because I have paint on it, I can then go ahead and attempt to cover my edge also. And it worked! Oh, I like it when a plan comes together, even when it's not a plan. Okay, so we got beautiful cells down there. And I'm really tempted to just give myself a very similar scenario up here. I dip that into that white metallic from Anita's. Smear it around. Oh, a little more. Very accidental art. And the edge catcher covers the edges pretty well. I thought it was going to be fast. I wasn't sure it was going to be this fast. So I'm going to take some of my paint and cover the few little tiny spots on my end that are not covered. I want to push some paint right into that round right there. And then I have to decide what I'm going to do. And I think what I want to do is to continue using my edge catcher as a swipe card and looking for gaps. Because I can. And hope I don't screw it up. Something I've wanted to do for a while is drag chain across. But I think I'm just using the paint that's residual on my edge catcher to experiment. Because I can. The name of my book on the Amazon link. Now that kind of reminds me of what I was going to plan on doing, which was to add some chain. I think I'm going to put that down for right now and maybe contemplate throwing that chain in the bucket, seeing if I can find the other long chain. There it is. All right, so, oh boy, hopefully I don't ruin anything. So if I take that off, that paint on it still, I can bring it back on. I know, I never do the forms where I lay the chain down and then pull it, and I really could do that. Like, you know, like that. Well, sort of like that, anyway. I also have contemplated doing everything, including the basting brush. I've got a lot of paint on there, but I don't think I really mind right now. I'm liking giving myself some flower forms. And I've been thinking about this for a while, and I'm really glad I'm doing it. Cool. Okay, back over here. See, I can pick up, with the long chain, I can pick up the left side or your right side. I can just put some down, start to pull it. Wow, that's something. It's not what I expected to be doing either. I feel like putting a little black in there, but I also feel like maybe I'm doing all right. So not to mess with a good thing. There, I have almost got, I want to call it synergy. It's definitely different. I still want to try putting some black in there. I'm going to wipe my chain off while that sets up and dry it. And then I'm going to put a little bit of black in because I want to see what happens when I do that. Alright. Whoa. Almost dropped it in. So cool, that's a black flower. That works. Do I really? I don't know. I'm going to let the black that was on there stay on there. That's perfect. Wow. I need to do that again. I know you guys are looking at this upside down, so it's got to be a little disconcerting. That did not go as perfectly. That's okay. Maybe wiping off the chain was the ticket. Let's wipe off the chain one more time. At least rub it off. There, I'm pretty pleased with myself. I saw that spot of canvas and I'm just going to fill it. So we haven't torched and we're about to, and I think it's just really important that I let you guys see this before we start that. And this is the black and gold and white and pearl and gray flower garden of a sort. The torch to release the bubbles in the paint because of the pouring medium. I'm not going to worry about that edge catcher, but I did enjoy using it. This is so neat. That's the star of the show. But I love the plain spots and the spots where the, what am I trying to say? I don't use any silicone in my paint. So where all the cells are is fantastic. And this was just black paint and white paint. Half Artist Loft, half Walmart semi-gloss latex. I do keep seeing a little spot down there, something isn't sticking to. I'm super stoked about this. I hope you can see all of that. I don't want any bubbles in it. I think this is magnificent. I am super stoked. I will be doing this with colors very shortly. I will probably be filling in a few places along the edge that could use a little more black. My black is so runny right now from being warm out today. I don't think that's going to hurt anything. Oh, I'm excited. Wow. Are there any anomalous marks that I want to go away? I thought I saw something down here that displeased me from the other angle. Let's see if I can see it again from over here. No, I don't see anything. Maybe that. Maybe still some paint. Still a little paint from everywhere. Just enough to integrate that design. Because some of that looks like the edge catcher dragged paint off, but there is actually something there. Swallowed a gnat. Really and truly. Alright, I wasn't going to do anything with this over here. You see I've got a little canvas showing. I'm just going to throw a couple little skewer marks in, imitating foliage. Ah, that's what I was looking for, but it looks so much like a flower. Love it. Well, it looks like half a flower anyway, peeking over the top of the canvas. Alright, so right here I saw a little canvas, and I don't think that's going to hurt anything. I did like it better lighter, but I don't think it's going to show or make a difference at all if I stick my finger in there and cover it. So I love you guys. There's 80,000 of you. Please give me a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind, if you like my work. Thank you for all the great compliments. If you want to help support the studio like some have, thank you to everybody who has helped keep me painting. Times are interesting at YouTube, so I run a monthly drawing for contributors who contribute more than $10. You can find it on the last 20 seconds of any video on the end screens, along with a link to my website. I think that one is the lower right hand corner, and a link to my channel where you can find playlists of 100 by the hundreds, and also you can find them by the genre. You can see the exhibition video has the drawing prize on it. It could be different any given month. I just want no bubbles, and I love all those cells. I'm completely in love with this piece. I can't wait to do something similar, especially that black. The eye just is drawn around. Look, we've got a gold butterfly hiding behind one of those flowers. It's so expressionist. Wow. I would be intensely surprised if this did not sell, and I do sell my artwork. I should say that too. I do sell my artwork, and I give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and we have a ball, and If you're looking for a Facebook group, Facebook Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery for fans and collectors is for fans and collectors. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More is a showcase for my, I'm putting some coal down there, is a showcase for my merchandise that's usually on Fine Art America or pixels.com. You can get there by hitting the Shop Now button. Yeah, I don't want to get too frisky. I like that the way it was, and I've got to be good with it. So this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery saying, I love you. Check for the paint pouring recipe under the video. Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links are there also. And if you're looking for my Amazon link, it will take you to the OXO Omelette Turning Spatulas. Best paint spatulas around. Mica powders, basting brushes, shovels, canvases, even a tent or two. So if you shop there, it's no added cost to you, and it eventually helps me out if enough of you go. So thank you so much for being supportive. You guys are the bomb. I love you. Every day you uplift me. Thank you so much. I'll be here again tomorrow, and I hope you will too. Bye for now. Priscilla out in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard. I need to zoom out, darn. Now I need to wait 20 seconds. So that is the way I'm going to hang that on my wall. Probably in that special place. I see I need gold down there. Because I don't want canvas showing. Alright you guys, I'm going to zoom in as close as I can so you can see the whole thing. Oh yeah, check on the community page on my channel for tomorrow's videos. I don't always get there, but I do get there a lot. You can also see the dry versions of finished paintings. I love you guys. See you soon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.